I always salute, give you when they listen to me, wine, plus they watch me on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about the bill for body as e dey hot. Every day now we they carry topical issue. Now which people they call them topic where they come on smoke to call discuss them on top of as e dey hot and give you the license to call to Chukwudi for inside the matter. Waiting will they discuss today now still waiting the rain and waiting will continue to the rain inside this our Obodo Nigeria until March 28. One of us go march out to vote for the general elections. The Oga chairman of INEC, Professor Jega, he announced say INEC don't shift elections when it's supposed to be February 14th. Many people from different side of the divide, according to Igbo people, they don't they look this matter. Some people talk say, why you go do this kind of thing? Use insecurity as excuse. Other people talk say, yes, not true. Based on some other things we follow the matter. Ezugo Choko de Cyprian, I be my name, and I dey inside studio as usual with my brother when Sabi well as they concern this matter, and we go to Chukam as e dey hot.
Now another beautiful Tuesday we don't carry come down the month. For today's edition of As E Dey Hot. As usual, we're going to give now topical issues we carry weight, issues where we say, where they trending, issues where affect and where affect us. I know say a lot of stuff now go they para right now, say why they shift election, Why some go talk say, okay, I say the idea I give and they good based on the reasons where they give. Anyway, either way, the thing be say, March 28th, they don't declare them as the day where we go do it. We will eventually choose who will be our president. My name never changed. My name now Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
You wait there for us. If you join us on top of this discussion, we there on top of Facebook. Go to Wazobia fan page. If you never like them, let me say you the carry last. Anywhere where you see our trend, chook mouth on top because we don't put them there as it take concern the topic when we discuss. We there on top of Twitter too at TV As E Dey Hot. Now there if you get the latest talk as it take the breaking news and all the fast gist when they rain inside this our Obodo Nigeria. And if you send us a email to our website asidehot@wazobiatv.tv. We go through our phone lines open because today now the day when we say we want to make everybody talk them as they prepare them for body. Without wasting time, we will just chook our teeth inside waiting we discuss, begin to tear them into pieces. Nkubi, I don't need to waste time. You don't hear waiting we get to talk. How you take reason this matter?
The matter no they very they fresh at all because no matter we don't day on since last week we then declare we then do the postponement. But waiting me go see they stand on. Waiting me still go see to the hammer on the fact say look, waiting sincerely make we tell ourselves some good truth. Waiting be that reason we call for the postponement of this election. Say the reasons they justifiable. If not insecurity reasons as then placed heavily, so now be the major reason. Make we look them over time. Okay, since this dispensation, since this current government of Oga Jonah, we don't get insecurity issue. Okay, fine. They say the military they try address them, the military they try combat them and all that. But is that enough reason to say make we no change power? Is that enough reason for us to say, okay, say we no go hold the elections, okay, make we shift the election again? Why they no foresee all these things before now? And yet, on top of, anyway, make I never even speak within my mind. Make we still they move on. So that's just me for you. The election where they postponed, I no see reason, any genuine reason why they say make them they postpone the election.
You see, are they only Nigerians? You don't taste this.
No, the fact we say you go always.
But I go talk today.
You go always they smile. The only reason why you go they smile now be say on our plan don't work.
Not be plan.
On our plan, of course. I talk finish.
See,
the next way you do now say Nigerians.
No, you see,
call they smile because of say on our plan they work. It don't they work, but God now no go succeed. You see, now no go succeed at all. That plan will not work for you all.
I stand
no go
on
work.
the truth.
The truth.
Your
hand is always clean. What truth?
Clean.
What truth? Show me that your dirty hand. No, show me that your dirty hand.
No, thank you very much.
Show me that hand where you talk today. Look at it yourself.
Come on.
You deceive yourself, say your hand they clean.
Our Nigerian people when they for us, they always they talk and I will sound it as a note of warning
To who?
Make we know the excuse me.
To who? Who are you sending a note of warning to? No, don't send me. Don't give me any note of warning. If you want to talk, talk. Don't even bring in something that will annoy me right now. Not talk anything will make me vex. Who are you sending a note of warning to? Tell me, Chukwudi.
Allow me to finish my sentence.
No, don't send. Rephrase that statement. Don't bring in note of warning as if you are personally addressed, telling me, say, you dey warn me, oh. You dey warn me.
Thank you very much.
That's what they're trying to tell me.
Nigerians, as a man of peace, I'm going to paraphrase.
A man of peace, now because the time say, it's note of warning. Anyway, go on.
Okay. Make all of us, they do our research to avoid argumentum ad ignorantium.
Ignorantum. That is just your...
Arguing from the point of ignorance.
You have been arguing from the point of ignorance.
Excuse me. Nigerians must not swallow everything hook, line, and sinker. You know why I talk this thing? Because some people, then they do waiting, then they spread, I go speak English, then they spread lies and falsehood to deceive Nigerians. Now, I don't know why we say for history, for our secondary schools and our primary schools, they know they teach history again. But I will take you back to history.
Before the day of the postponement, INEC no say they go postpone the election. Why they go take decision behind Jega?
Who take decision behind Jega?
Jega stated that look, now on the day when they hold that meeting, then they hand over the note and say, see, this is the reason why we want to postpone election. Why he never come out, come tell Nigeria and say, okay, these are the various reasons why they want to postpone the election. Why come on that day? When they hold that meeting, now you can't know say they will postpone the election.
See, Nigerians,
don't give me that.
Nigerians, I'm going to...
Now, backyard decision.
Nigerians.
Where you and your people know.
Nigerians, I'm going to paint a picture.
Paint a picture.
Yes.
Keep painting. You be artist.
Thank you very much.
You be painter.
When Dasuki, a seasoned, a distinguished military personnel, come out, talk, say, make we check the way when these things they go. Say, based on the fact, say, you get what people they call antecedents. We saw it.
So,
excuse me, sir.
No,
excuse me, don't tell me to
Don't tell me to excuse me. I'm not excusing you for anything.
Allow me to drop my point.
You are not dropping any. I will not allow you to deceive Nigerians. Convince Nigerians over. You are not dropping any point.
Excuse me.
Yes,
you are attacking my personality.
I am not attacking.
I'm telling you the truth to your face. How you go talk that they deceive Nigerians?
I'm telling you the truth to your face.
You are the one. You are the deceiver.
You are the deceiver.
You are the deceiver.
You are the biggest deceiver.
You are the deceiver. Now you they deceive people.
Anyway.
Nigerians, look two of us. Make una tell who they
Nigerians, look two of us. Tell us who be the person going by his height. His height is a deceit already. Your height they deceive you, and that's why if they carry your height, they threaten Nigerians. They threaten me.
Why excuse me? Why you bring my height enter this?
Because that's now the kind of way now they give you liver. No fit say because of say you tall. After that is say me, I did decide. You go they threaten me. They threaten Nigerians. It never work for you. Me, I'm a man of my word. I go stand with you 247. Talk to Nigerians.
This same thing when Nkubi they talk now they talk for 2011.
I'm not threatening you.
No, you are
no.
In fact,
what have I threatened you this time?
I want to make an appeal to Nigeria and the Inspector General of Police. I want to appeal to the
Inspector General. Arrest me?
No. I need protection now. Yes, because excuse me.
He does here.
No.
He's here.
No. I'm a
now
man.
The sign continue when I take talk.
No. I'm a man of peace.
You need protection for what? Have I threatened your life?
You
I don't threaten you. I don't say they take your height. They threaten me.
Why you go bring my height enter this discussion?
I say they take your height. They threaten me. That's what I've just said.
Excuse me, sir. Let me land. I dey give my point to tell Nigerians. You begin to attack my height. Why my height? It means that I'm no longer safe. It means that you can do.
I don't mean so. Hey,
no.
That is not what I'm saying. This is simply what I'm saying.
I need protection.
You don't need any protection because you're already protected.
I need protection.
Your height is enough to protect you.
I'm not safe.
Your height is protecting you already.
I'm not safe with you.
Because that is what is giving you liver.
I need protection, and you will hear from my lawyers. Because how you go come for this thing? You tell me say my height they deceive me. Why? It's slander. You they slander my personality. How you go talk say my height?
Chukwudi, how many times you don't look me finish? Tell me things why no one hear.
Which things you don't want hear?
If you don't mention, say my head big. You go talk, say you go take my own family, do example, say my pikin, if you don't know book. They found one or two screen. So I don't mind yourself. No height I mention. I say your height they threaten me.
They use them.
I say your height they threaten me. I not talk say your height they deceive you. I mean I don't talk say your height this thing. I say your height they threaten me.
Thank you very much.
That's what I said.
Now this height when you don't talk say they deceive you or they threaten you.
They deceive you.
If they threaten you. Now the same thing when they happen now because. Everybody knows, say Nigerians want the transformation to continue. The transformation we don't they see under the government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the uncommon changer, The transformer of destiny. Una don't come now, come decide, say, una no go let the team work.
Okay,
and that is why Nigerians are saying that we must have a free and fair election.
Okay, look, Atahiru Jega, before the postponement, talk, say, look, say, INEC don't ready.
Which ready?
I say INEC don't ready for this election.
How they take
ready? Let us now look at the outlined reasons why they say they no go, part of the reasons why they say they no go hold this election. Look at it. They say PVC is still being printed abroad. I'm not so.
Who the printer?
Wait.
No, who is printing the PVC?
PVC is still being printed abroad. But yet, Jega talk said they're said ready. That is one. That said they're ready. One, printers for register, for register, still the Abuja. But Jega to come and talk, say, look, they don't ready. Now tell you say they don't ready. Wait again. Say no full complement of ballot boxes. But the guys come and sit there and just say they don't ready. But yet, now they come up with reasons. Things where we say, well,
excuse me.
You don't even jail.
Excuse me.
With all these reasons, they give.
I don't believe
with all
this.
these reasons, they give. Isn't that? In fact, the reasons are not justifiable.
You don't shoot yourself for Lego.
How?
Sure you know.
How?
You come out list.
How?
You come out list anomalies. I go speak English. You come and list anomalies.
No, part of report of the reasons.
Excuse me.
Apart from the
How can you be ready?
Reasons.
How can you be ready when we say you never distribute PVC complete? Thank you very much. How many million Nigerians now INEC register? 68 million. How can you come out and tell us that you don't attain 65, 66%?
That is what we keep telling Nigerians. Nigerians go and collect your PVC.
Why?
People don't come out here talk, say, PVC, there for offices, there for local government, there for the designated areas where they spend their collector. So nobody is coming to collect their PVC. What are you saying?
Thank you very much.
Talk to Nigerians to go collect their PVC.
You don't shoot yourself again for free.
I don't ever shoot myself.
Thank you.
Tell Nigerians to go collect their PVC.
No, thank you. Now, this your excuse where you bring come now. You they make them look like say, now Nigerians no one go collect your PVC. Nigerians, excuse me. Nigerians, are you saying that Nigerians? Are you saying that Nigerians are not serious people? Are you saying Nigerians are not serious people?
It is still a point of call for Nigerians to go collect their PVC.
Thank you very much.
I have not said anything wrong.
Okay. Make we can't discuss this matter now. You talk say Nigerians no one go collect their PVC. Meanwhile, the governor of Lagos State and the Sultan of Sokoto.
For your information, the governor of Lagos State don't collect his own.
After INEC postponed election.
After he don't collect
his own. Thank you very much. Now on Sunday he collect his own, and they postpone the elections on Saturday. How can the governor of Lagos State collect his card after they postpone elections? Sultan of Sokoto never collect in PVC. It shows that there's a serious problem.
Indeed.
There's a serious problem. The excuse say 100%. We know we distribute 100%. We know this. But let us check I go speak English. The demographic distribution. The demographic distribution of PVC.
Okay,
it is excuse me, sir.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
No, I won't mention demographic
distribution. It is a calculated.
It is a calculated what?
It is a calculated attempt.
That what?
And a scheme.
That what?
And a ploy.
That what?
To tactically disenfranchise a vast majority of the populace.
How
can 20 million Nigerians not yet receive their PVC? How?
Let us look at
is it possible?
Your reason,
and INEC is independent.
Your reason
the government gave them the money.
Your reason no
the government gave them the free hand.
You know why
and yet you are coming to tell us that 65% only you don't give PVC. Why Nigerians don't collect their PVC? You too look at it that way. Look at it that way.
In Lagos, we have a population
and the governor has not collected.
If in Lagos we have a population...
If the governor of Lagos has not collected...
Let me talk.
No, talk the governor.
Let me talk.
Talk the governor.
I said
governor never collect PVC.
What are you saying?
Governor never collect PVC.
Let me talk, Chukwudi.
Excuse me.
Let me talk.
Excuse me. Governor never collect PVC.
Let me talk.
Why governor no go collect PVC?
Let me talk.
If ordinary man...
Listen, this is it. If in Lagos
and the
we
governor
get a population of about 2.something million.
And the governor has not collected his PVC.
You want to take Lagos,
and the governor has not collected his PVC.
Compared other states where we say their population don't reach Lagos.
2 billion collect for Lagos. Governor never collect.
People where their population don't reach Lagos.
2 million collect. Governor never collect. How can 2 million people collect PVC? Government never collect.
Rufus the call us from WARRI.
Oga Rufus, good morning, sir.
I'm not sure you go do justice to this matter. Good morning.
You don't pursue am. You don't pursue am.
Oga Rufus is still there.
Which you still there? Why you the pointer? You don't pursue am. You don't pursue.
Okay, a typical example.
How can Lagosians collect? Meanwhile, number one citizen, governor never collect.
Let us mention Kanu.
Governor never collect.
Let us mention Kanu.
Sultan of Sokoto never collect.
Kanu that has a population of millions. When we say their PVC, they don't collect over millions of PVC. You understand? You want to compare? And that's the time say their population. When we say now on our side though, with their population, no reach Kanu.
Thank you very much.
Now when they give us reason say, you never go around the way it's supposed to go around.
How can 34% of the electorate in Lagos, a vibrant and politically active state, never collect their PVC. How can the governor of Lagos State collect his own PVC
For your information,
on
Chukwudi,
Sunday?
In don't collect them.
After the postponed elections.
That is the bottom line.
Thank you very much.
The bottom line is in don't collect
When
PVC.
be the first deadline when INEC set for the collection of PVC? January 31. From January 31, they extend up to February 8. From February 8, they don't extend up to March 8.
What I say?
He don't show us.
Chukwudi,
INEC.
Chukwudi, your talk
monkey and they inside the soup.
Yes,
Monkey
the monkey and they
inside
come
the
from
soup.
our side.
The government.
The monkey
give
and they
you
come
free hand.
from our side.
The government give you money. Jega don't complain of lack of funds. Jega don't complain of interference. We saw elections in Ondo State, in Edo State, in Ekiti State. We saw in Osun State. We saw in Anambra State.
Okay,
no interference at all. All of a sudden, he come like say Jega no fit conduct.
Let me ask you a question.
We had 1 year.
Hold on.
1 year.
Hold on, your young man.
Don't command me to hold on.
I said hold on.
Don't command me to hold on.
Hold on.
Don't command me to hold on.
You're already sweating. Hold on.
Don't command me to hold on.
Make aircon blow you.
Don't command me to hold on.
What I say? See.
Excuse me. You will not command me to hold on.
I say hold on.
You will not command me to hold on.
Hold on.
I will not hold on.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
What do you want? No.
My hand go reach you before your hand reach me.
AKPOCU.
My hand go reach you before your hand reach
If
me.
no man, I go stand up here, go do am, go dig am.
Dig wetin?
I go stand up here, go dig am.
I have said it. I need police protection. Nigerians, can you see? You are already threatening me.
No.
I need police protection.
You threatened me first.
The Inspector General of Police will
You
hear
threatened
this.
me first.
Which
He
year
said your
first?
hand go reach me. That is even a threat to my own life.
I'm just telling you.
Why would you tell me that?
I'm just telling you.
Isn't that a threat?
Excuse me. Is it not a statement of fact?
It is not a statement of fact. You are threatening me as well.
Excuse me, sir.
Hold on, we have Sammy. Sammy is calling us from Uyo. Good morning, Oga Sammy. Oga Sammy, good morning.
You don't pursue.
You see him?
You don't pursue.
These are people that are ready to state the truth. We want to talk to Nigeria.
You don't pursue.
Okay, this is it. Let us now ask ourselves some good questions. The major reason, the primary reason we they present, say this is the reason why we want to shift this election to March 28. Now, because of insecurity issue. Okay, let us now ask ourselves this way. Based on insecurity, campaign don't go around virtually everywhere for Nigeria. Yet, this same campaign, witness people trooping out to support or to at least to see what they happen. These are thousands of people when they come out to come see the campaign where every political party they organize. Okay, you mentioned security. Were those people not insecure? They say they're not insecure for the ground where they come and they support whoever they want to support. So now tell me, look, we don't have enough reason. We don't have enough reason.
This example where you don't call now is what I would call hocus pocus. I tell you, make we take this call. We get UFOT. UFOT, they call us from Uyo.
UFOT, good morning,
sir.
Hold
Oga UFOT, you don't
talk
pick.
to us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga UFOT, your voice like say it's strong. I beg, mellow am down, make we hear you well.
Okay, Chukwudi, how you dey?
I dey fine, Oga UFOT.
Nkubi, how you dey?
I dey, bros. I dey. Good morning.
Now you I want to talk to.
Me or Chukwudi?
Talk to him.
No, now you. No,
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
You don't, today, now you don't attack Chukwudi anyhow. You don't talk
the
three
same
things.
way they attack me.
Wait now, don't school down.
Okay.
You talk three things. Now I want to respond. Number one, you talk to them the prints PVC for abroad. Wait now. Number one, you talk to them the prints PVC for abroad. Now me listen to INEC, Jega when they do that press conference that night. Journalists ask him, say, where the remaining PVC they in talk say everything pertaining to this election. They don't print them and don't collect them.
Thank you.
In say 96% of all the cards has been delivered.
Thank you.
The remaining percent now they also be duplicate card where they return.
Thank you.
That's number one. Wait first now. So number two. You see this election where they postpone like this. Me personally, no sweet me for body.
Oh.
But the truth be say, it good as they do.
Thank you very much.
Why it good? Number one, if tomorrow they do election, wait now. If they finish this election now, say PDP win for instance. Now say APC go carry INEC go court.
Thank you.
Say they don't distribute cards finish. See if all the states no vote. Not forget say our electoral law talk say before you go become president for this country, you must pass at least 25% for all the states for the federation.
Tell them.
If they don't do election for 4 states, PDP come pass. APC no go talk say why they no do for 4 states. It no be them the government for power. So the government with their power no supposed to pass the election. They look at. So we tell ourselves truth. Then number 3, we say me personally, I get issue with WARRI. and I go talk am. This is my opinion. How person from in 27 years they governors for this country, in don't be 74, he still want governors. What you and Chukwudi and me when they talk and other youth they do. Why APC no give us young, vibrant opponent? Bros, WARRI don't out. Make that man go rest.
Thank you very much, Oga RUFUS. Continue to watch AS E DEY HOT. Make you the call us.
Thank you very much, Oga RUFUS.
Excuse me, respond to... No.
I will respond.
Respond.
I mentioned, okay, Jega say in the collect like 96% of this thing.
Thank you.
Where the reason, where the printing of ballot this thing outside come from?
Excuse me.
I said now stay from now old
Why he extend the collection of PVC from 31st to 8th, from 8th now to March 8th?
Because there has been a call, say make them do it, say people never collect their PVC.
Make we take this call, George. Excuse me. George go join this matter from
George go George, and I want to say George go George and well.
No, they shout his name.
George, good morning.
Good morning, Nkubi. Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga George. Oga George, I beg. I know say
from your church mind.
From your name, I know say
you're a good judge.
God knows say you be better person. I beg. Look this matter well. Look this matter well. Make you tell him.
Good morning. Wait now. I want to talk. I go permit me. I beg. I want to use the good English. I beg.
Okay, no wala.
I beg not be worried you they call us from.
Now worried.
Okay, no worry. Just fire on.
Okay, so the problem now is I'm not going to mention any political parties in my comments, but the truth is we're talking about eliminating corruption and all that. But when we look at the basis of all this, the election and all that, I just heard a news from Cool TV between Dakpo and the other lady that our PVCs were being shipped abroad to be printed. I wonder, this country, we are able to register students for JAMB, but are not able to register people for PVC, printing of ID cards. You know, when my dad was working in Shell, this was not even a problem. What they did was stand in line and collect registered from print, use biometrics and collect cards that they use to gain access into offices. We are talking about eliminating jobs in Nigeria. The ruling government, the one that feel they are just all corrupt. The ones that want to come in. So even the ruling government now, they are looking for chances, all right, to skip and run away from elections. But the thing is that the elections must hold. Nkubi.
Yes.
The elections must hold.
It must hold.
It must hold. So
Oga George. No. Excuse me, Oga George. I really appreciate the point where you carry.
He never finished now.
Excuse me.
Will you let him land?
Excuse me,
What's
sir.
that? I'm not excusing you for any reason.
Excuse me.
Oga George, you sit there.
The problem in the northeastern part of the region of Nigeria, I don't think it can be solved under 6 weeks.
Thank you.
But we can curtail and checkmate the activities of these insurgents.
You have judged this matter the way I want it. The way Nigerians want it.
Oga George.
So with all that you're trying to buy interest, they want making judge and well. You see,
I respond to what Oga George
respond.
Oga George, you've been talk see. We have a president. I go speak English back to you because I can speak English.
But hold on, Polycarp they call us from Enugu. Oga Polycarp, good morning. Bella say we don't lose I see him.
How you take no say Polycarp now? How you take no say na man? Where you talk say Oga Polycarp? Why you go put Oga?
Polycarp is a man's name.
How do you know?
Woman no fit bear
Polycarp. How do you know?
Woman no fit bear. Viewers, say woman fit bear Polycarp.
How do you know? Why you go? Why you go?
Isn't that odd?
That's discrimination. Why you go just
the
talk
name
say
is odd.
No, you can't say that. You can't say that.
What are you saying?
Our people went there for hours. We go continue this discussion. When we go this break, come back. We still they talk about this election where we say Oga Professor Jega of INEC shift go March 28 and April 11 sake of insecurity and so many other issues. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue the discussion. You see, they try to
point me hand.
Welcome back to AS E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk as the BU for body. And today, what will they discuss now? As they take shift, the election go March 28th and April 11th. we dey look whether the reasons wey they give say na in cause wey they shift the election, he carry water, abi he no hold weight at all. Chukwudi Nkubi dey inside studio, and at the discussion, now we see the chook mouth on top. Yes. Before we go that break.
Before we go, they point me hand, mind yourself. I don't say, look, if you need to address an issue, address the issue. No, they point me hand. What did they point me hand for? Look, we'll go for break. You see they point me hand. Now, try to say, they threaten me. It is a clear sign. Look, no matter how, no force, make now plenty rich. I know if you do anything. See me, where are they? August. Anyway.
This is not the same thing what happened for 2011. Now, you are taking over.
I've not threatened you.
I've said it.
You are the one threatening me.
I don't accept.
If you say because of that I did this little, if you threaten this height, you know fit.
I don't accept.
You know fit.
My hands are clean. And just like the way that my hands are tied, I don't appeal to the Inspector General of Police. I need protection. As I did like this. Now, no, before make I they come. You see, Professor Jega, you just want to use the issue of insecurity.
Now him tender ram
as a decoy.
Now him tender ram.
Excuse me,
this is the same man. Even at the point of say this is the whole meeting, he no say they don't shift election.
With 20 million Nigerians disenfranchised.
He no say they don't shift election.
You never give 20 million Nigerians that voted over 20 million Nigerians. You know what is 20 million be?
This
20 million are the population of some countries.
We don't see the sign right from time.
Which sign you see?
We don't see the sign say look, they don't do waka they are kuru kere waka. They plot on how they will take shit elect this election. And we'll see them. When the 16 parties out of the 26 come out and say, look, they must shoot this election on the reason say insecurity matter, they never address them. All this while, they don't come and talk.
You see?
It can't be now. Now. They come and talk say, now to tell you some monkey hand they there.
We go take this
monkey hand they there.
Obiora,
Obiora, good morning, Jerry.
No, they point me if they talk about monkey.
Obiora, good morning.
Why you greet people too much?
Obiora, you there? Will you hold on?
You see him?
Obiora.
Obiora. You put O for the back of his name.
And I need to stretch him. He's an Igbo man.
His name is Obiora.
He's an Igbo man. I need to stretch him, put in some, to make sure say in here well.
And they talk and say Jega just use because of say Colonel
no mention say Jega.
Because of say Colonel Sambo Dasuki come out.
Security.
The national security advisor gave an advice.
That was.
But by the body language of Jega don't show say they're ready.
It is a lie.
How can over 20 million Nigerians
kept saying
never collect their PVC?
INEC done ready.
Over 20 million Nigerians never collect their PVC.
That INEC done ready.
Never give over 20 million Nigerians their PVC.
Chukwudi, from all
the governor of Lagos, as at the 31st of January, the #1 citizen of Lagos never collecting PVC.
From the way they
the
talk.
Sultan of Sokoto
from the way
never
they talk,
collecting PVC. You go shift up to February 8th. February 5th, only for the 5 million people don't collect their PVC.
You're just being ignorant.
Only for the 5 million people don't collect their PVC.
You never make any attempt to collect your PVC. You just say don't collect your own PVC. Chukwudi,
it is
you don't collect your own PVC. Answer that question.
We don't want election when we say, after we do election, we will begin a complaint, say, from the start. How can you claim to be an independent organization?
We have seen the growing fear. We have seen the growing fear in their people.
Which people?
Anyway, before I talk with them, I want to talk. Maybe we collect this call from AKPOCU. AKPOCU, they call us from WARRI. Good morning, AKPOCU.
My brother, now good morning.
Yes.
Now they do better work for that place.
Thank you very much.
Now they like everybody. We like them.
Yes.
But only thing what I want to tell you now.
Okay.
How they attack each other like personal something. Now the whole country affair, now that they discuss so. So they are not attack each other like they on a two, now get fired.
Tell him. He's one Naim.
Naim.
Tell him.
Now they fight for the whole nation.
Because so, they pay me.
Oga AKPOCU,
I want change.
I stand on the part of truth.
I want change. That is why they pay me.
And they fight for the country. Now these people, now you don't want agree. Now you don't agree.
It's a big no point and no point me on again.
How the country is better another day.
Thank you very much. How the country is better now my day.
Now me day.
I don't understand
now me day.
Oga AKPOCU, thank you. Continue to dey watch AS E DEY HOT. Make you dey call us and tell your people make them dey watch AS E DEY HOT because na program wey give everybody license to talk am as e dey be there for body. Oga AKPOCU don talk am.
He don't talk am.
I'm speaking for the people.
I am also speaking for the people.
You are not. You are speaking for yourself.
I've always been speaking for the people.
You are speaking for yourself.
I have always been
because
speaking
if you are speaking for the people, over 20 million Nigerians, you must talk say make they collect their PVC.
See, we no need to IGHO, one of our regular caller. Oga IGHO from Abuja, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga IGHO.
Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Okubi, I want to say something now.
Oga IGHO, what did I do you now?
Wait, nah.
What did I do you now?
Wait, did they find black goat for night?
Thank you.
Yeah? So why you think say the reason when they postpone the elections, the reason no get weight? Eh? So when they see the security of this security now for the northern states, so you think say like that if the election go on, you'd say people go vote for there.
Security,
go vote. So the security, so the military have to guarantee your security first.
Thank you.
Before you go there, go vote. No, not be matter of since not there for that one. Now we dey talk now. So the military just say now we cannot guarantee your security. So now you waiting when the military is on top of the matter that will tell you that okay now we are ready now. So that's how we go vote. So
Oga IGHO.
Not they argue blindly.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't hear Oga IGHO.
Oga IGHO, make I tell you something wey go shock you.
Where they never there for the past 4 years.
According to INEC data, 421,000 Nigerians never collect PVC for Abuja.
So now within 6 weeks, they won't be on top of the situation.
Yes, they can. It's possible.
Ask yourself that question.
It's possible.
The insecurity matter they talk about don't they on for over 4 years. They're not on top of the situation.
Cameroon don't join us.
Now. 6
Chad
weeks.
don't join us.
6 weeks.
Niger don't join us.
I think there's something.
We now have an allied force.
There.
We now have an allied force.
If there's something, monkey hand there.
Make we collect this call. Samuel, they call us from Oka. Oga Samuel, good morning, sir.
Oga Samuel.
Good morning. How are you?
We dey fine.
Uncle and Chukwudi.
Yes, we dey fine.
I dey happy as they handle these issues, but I don't want to ask. You like say, that's what I speak. All these things when they happen.
No. I'm speaking for Nigeria. I don't know about him.
I dey speak the voice of people. People like you.
All right. See, the truth of the matter is that Nigerians, they're very happy to say they postpone the election.
Thank you.
But this is that, this Ukubi, I want to ask you a question. I remember late last week, you were among the people that was complaining. Say, made them shift this election. Say many people not collect
Me?
Whoa. Wait, now,
from my own mouth.
The program steady. I not be the program. Yeah, by the time you in particular, they say so many people don't collect PVC on this issue. But Eric, now, and even when you call public secretary,
Alhaji Mohammed.
Yeah, it was here now. It was like saying, when they shift so that many people will collect the PVC.
Thank you.
Nigerians no one collect PVC. And remember, some people say they go INEC office, say the PVC in there, their name no there, their own no there, but PVC pack full. So how those cases, how you handle them? And no be one, no be two, no be like that. And again, if I tell you the truth, insecurity, if you see the way when they come rush down from east, from north, come back east because of this election. But why they came in now, they say many people now don't come back. Poverty and hunger will kill them because they will still wait till 28 before the election, so they will go back. But this is that whatever will be, will be. If God say Nigeria can go there, he go there. If God say Buhari go there, he go there. But my problem with the Buhari, all of us know him. That's why they came saying in the discipline or they honest. When in there, as a president, in there, deputy, they do everything. What do they call him? Idiamo. It was there now. It was active. It wasn't active because the would have told active. If I would have talked now, me go support him fully. But who's the brother when they talk to? When he defeat PTF chairman, what did he do?
He worked.
Thank you very much, Oga Samuel. We don't talk him as the team build for body.
He work effectively. We see what he do.
Make I can't give you the statistical analysis of credible alternative alliance.
Wait.
The credible, excuse me. No.
Why that sudden twist?
Because I want...
You know that the man lies as if you don't wait to hunt me.
Excuse me.
What is that?
This credible alternative alliance, you know who be the leader? Alhaji Balarabe Musa. We also claim say he never collect his own PVC. He can't give the statistics of people who never collect PVC. Over 22 million Nigerians never collect PVC. And you come on, make we go ahead with elections.
Look, Chukwudi.
Make we collect Prince. Prince, they call us from Kaduna. No. Make we collect Prince. Prince, they call us from Kaduna.
Oga Prince, good morning.
Mr. Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
I want to talk something here. You see, concerning the election of the team, you see, one, this issue of postponement, one, is good.
Thank you.
Secondly, no good.
Thank you.
But the advantage of the goods now, like pass.
Thank you.
Because so many people, they on tension. You understand? You need to see the people, they travel, they run because of the election issue of the team. And again, people never, so many people don't say they never collect their PVC.
Thank you.
And I know good say then disenfranchise 20 million people not to have their PVC. It is not good. Because Chukwudi Nkubi, the way they talk, if like say they don't switch your face, carry change, give a pocket.
Thank you.
No.
So,
I just speak for people like
which people you speak for?
Now the truth be that they don't give you change for pocket.
No. My hands are clean.
Which clean?
My hands they're clean.
It will be good say everybody, at least even not 100%, at least even 90% have their PVC. At least it's good. So I beg.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. 65% is very poor.
Chukwudi.
In a country like Nigeria, in 2015, when we all of us want to discuss politics,
stand on the fact,
you can't tell me say 65%, 22 million Nigerians will not give them PVC.
Una plan the work right now.
It's not possible.
Una plan the work now. It is obvious.
Which obvious?
Say, you guys are losing the ground.
Which losing ground?
It is going to say now don't they lose ground.
You know what?
See,
according to INEC,
say, look, if people like the sole leader of APC, national leader of APC, of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and the presidential candidate, retired General Mohammed Buhari goes come and talk to people and say, now fear they make these people.
Is evidence. Is their personal opinion.
We don't win this election.
Is their personal
opinion. We don't
opinion.
win the ground.
Is their personal opinion.
Fear, that is the only thing that can make you shit an election.
Personal
don't
opinion.
give me that reason.
Don't take this call. ALIYU, they call us from PORTHARCOURT.
Yes, okay, ALIYU, I don't say you go do justice to this matter. Good morning.
Oga ALIYU, I better reduce the volume of your television. Maybe we will hear you well.
Good morning.
Thank you. I better raise your voice. Raise your voice.
Today I want to ask this Chukwudi question. No, I don't reduce that. What I want to ask you to say, this election when they postpone, when they say they postpone until 6 weeks coming. Why they saying no tackle all those Boko Haram for the past?
Thank you. Answer that.
Now you ask. Now you ask.
Answer.
How you go take tackle that problem?
Thank you. Very good question, Oga ALIYU.
Now you ask.
Now you ask.
Now you ask.
The question too.
Now you ask.
Thank you. Now you in the ask.
Who me?
Thank you very much.
Oh, you see that 6 weeks.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you see. The same way, now
Oga ALIYU, answer the question.
Chukwudi.
No, now you are the ask.
Oh, now you the ask.
Wait, Oga ALIYU, wait. You said now Nkubi the ask.
No, they ask you on suit.
Okay, thank you. Make her answer the question. No, excuse me. Make her answer the question. Thank you very much. Thank you, Oga ALIYU.
Let him land.
Oga ALIYU, thank you very much. Now, Colonel Sambo Dasuki, the National Security Advisor, don't come and don't talk.
6 weeks.
In 6 weeks, see, he was quoted out of context.
6 weeks.
He was quoted out of context.
For what?
We are going to damage the strength of Boko Haram.
You know, to
ensure say peace go come back to this country.
6 weeks. How is that achievable?
Our people went there for hours.
How do you want to do that magic?
Excuse me,
you want to magic?
Excuse me, don't cut me, please, don't cut me.
4 years, you know.
Excuse me, don't cut me.
You can't be 6 weeks.
Our people went there for hours. We go go this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue this discussion as see the hot.
Okay, remember, thank you.
Our phone line still open. Una go call us, they go. If I talk, no, they tell me say this. Now, see the chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. And at the Ogbonge program, we give you license to talk about the bill for body as E Dey Hot. We dey carry and come every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 10 o'clock go reach 11 o'clock where we dey discuss topic wey dey comot smoke as e take concern everybody inside this obodo Nigeria. Wetin we dey talk about na still on the shift when Oga ALIYU Jega of INEC shift the election go March 28th and April 11th sake of insecurity. I go add this one and some other wahala wey dey under. We dey take phone calls, they discuss the matter. Chukwudi Nkubi still inside the studio.
So before I go even, make we first read some messages we get here. Bidemi talk say, look, so Oga Dasuki don't come and tell Nigeria and say in the next 6 weeks, say them go do it and they go clear Boko Haram. Say, you got to say, it is a two-way thing. It is either say, make Nigeria feel vote for them, so that they will feel win the interest of Nigerians, or make it be the other way around, where in agreement mentioned here. Chukwudi, you see him? Respond to that.
You see, I always
respond to that.
Excuse me, before I respond, we will take this call. Yusuf, they call us from Abuja.
Good morning, Yusuf. Good morning. Yes.
Good morning, Christian.
Good morning.
Please, I want to comment on this issue of postponement.
Okay. I beg comment.
This thing is just like PDP are afraid. They don't want the election to hold because if you check, the police people said they are ready and the military said they are not ready. Why? Because it seems they are afraid. Because last election, 2011, this election was free and fair. Even though they postponed this election, it's not possible for all those that have not collected their PVC to collect. Because if you look at this present admission, what have this president did wrong that you can say? Insurgency, the issue of security, education. If you check all this immigration stuff that they did last year or so, Abuja, but if you look at the amount of coppers that went to that immigration stuff for looking for jobs, even some of them stamped to death. And you're saying this thing is not fair. All those people supporting Jonathan, I don't think this thing is right, honestly, but it seems PDP are afraid because what makes the police to say they are ready and the military say they are not ready, you know there's something going on.
Oga Yusuf,
Oga Yusuf, you've spoken your mind. Thank you very, very much.
You don't collect your PVC?
Yeah, I'll collect mine.
Yes. Thank you very much.
You see,
Oga Yusuf, I hope so
no raise voice for
over 421,000 people never collect PVC for Abuja.
No raise voice. Why they threatening out your voice?
No, I just dey talk.
Why are you raising your voice?
I just dey talk.
You still have spoken. SODIQ is calling us.
I just dey talk.
SODIQ is calling us from ZARIA. Oga SODIQ, I know you will do justice to this matter. Good morning.
Well done, sir.
Yes, good morning. Right on.
I'm ABUIA calling from ZARIA.
Yes.
What I want to say about this matter is that it is good that the election has been postponed or extended. But what is not good is that if you check the military, are you there?
Yes.
In the past, they told us, in a couple months back, they told us that they are going to retrieve the Chibok girls. Did that happen? No. They told us they ceased fire with Boko Haram. Did that happen? No. Now, they are trying to tell us in 6 weeks. In 6 weeks, please, in 6 weeks, this whole insurgency will be over. That is nonsense. And secondly, is that issue of collection of PVCs. Jega didn't say anybody to come and vote. He only says, come and collect your PVC to enable you to vote. Do you understand? So he didn't come to your house to carry you out for you to go and make that registration. So he won't carry that PVC to your house. Do you understand? Oga Nkubi.
Yes.
You hear me?
Yes.
Please, he's not threatening you. You understand?
Yeah.
He's not threatening you, but what he's to say is that this government is a very, very corrupt government. He should be so blind for him not to see. Or is it because he's in Lagos? I'm in ZARIA, close to Ahmadu Bello. I know what is happening. I have relations in where things are happening. So you can't just tell me, Jonathan. The election has been postponed. Good. It's good for we people.
Thank you very much.
Before matches. It's good for we people.
Thank you very much.
It will enable us collect our PVC.
Thank you very much. Oga Abdul Sadiq, thank you for hammering on collecting your PVC.
Thank you very much.
I want
let us also look at other points he addressed.
Which other points?
He mentioned a couple of other points. It is you know if he addressed now.
Allied forces.
You know if he addressed such.
Cameroon don't join us. Niger don't join us.
6 weeks.
Chad don't join us.
6 weeks.
We are going to.
Chibok girls.
We are going to work. We are going to work pari passu. Thank you.
Only God knows the condition where they're right now.
We are going to work pari passu. You don't go command now.
What?
You don't go.
Must I go to command
military,
to know anything they're good for the country?
Military tactics. Military
what
tactics.
Are you saying?
If you understand military tactics,
I don't understand any military tactics.
You need to know military tactics.
You when you talk, how many you know?
You come on, don't ask me.
Don't tell me to come on.
Don't ask me.
Why won't I ask you?
I'm trained.
You are not trained.
I'm trained.
When they take your head, they talk, say, they give yourself all kind of commendation and all that.
Our people, when they for us,
they
always they talk and say, Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us do everything what we get to use carry this country, go up. If you never collect your permanent voter's card, now opportunity to go collect that because INEC don't extend them to March 8th. So that excuse no go there, come March 28th and April 11th when we say we go take the destiny of our country into our hands. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come on smoke. My name is Chukwudi. I don't know whether you want to. I don't know where.
See, Nigerians, we go see they hammer them. If na never collect na PVC, big hono, jaw, big co may na go collect them because one PVC they very important. I beg. It they very important. Anyway, from me we be Nkubi. I go say bye. We go carry the matter come again on our way tomorrow.
Now you know say one PVC they very important.
You